Good evening, teachers and my batchmates. Myself, Aishwarya Bajpayee, student of B Farm second year, and today my presentation topic is on physicochemical properties in relation to biological action. Introduction. The biological activity of a targeted drug molecule is dependent on its physicochemical characteristics, essentially, the nature and type of functional moieties and also the arrangement of such group in the molecule. Modulating the structure of a drug implies introduction, elimination, or substitution of certain group in the drug. This may lead to the development of parallel drug with the characteristics similar to the lead compound. Hence, its activity is maintained although the structure is changed. Physicochemical properties play an important role in modifying the biological activity of many compounds. The ability of a chemical compound to elicit a pharmacological effect is influenced by its physical and chemical properties, which is responsible for its binding and interaction with biomolecules. The physicochemical properties which influence the action of drug are ionization, solubility, partition coefficient, hydrogen bonding, protein binding, chelation, bioisosterism, optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism. The first physicochemical property is ionization. Often the ion of a drug are responsible for its biological activity. In such cases, increase in ionization degree strengthens the biological activity, while sometimes the undissociated molecules are responsible for the same, in which increases in ionization degree of active compounds decreases the activity. Factors affect the ions to cross the cell membrane. They are the two factors. First, the cell membrane is made up of layer of macromolecules which carry an electrical charge for attracting or repelling ions. Second, ions undergo hydration which increases their volume, thus their diffusion through pores becomes difficult. At lower pH of stomach, the weakly basic drugs are ionized in nature and gets poorly absorbed. At lower pH of a gastric fluid, the weakly acidic drugs are unionized in nature and gets absorbed from the stomach and intestine. pKa value. The cell membrane of stomach, small intestine, mucosa, and nervous tissue are partially lipidic in nature. Thus, they allow the high lipophilic drug to pass through. The pH of the environment medium and the drug dissociation and the degree of dissociation pKa influence the liposolubility of drug. Most of the drug are either weakly acidic or weakly basic. The degree of dissociation can be calculated using Henderson-Helssenbach equation. The equation is pKa equals to pH plus log concentration of acid form upon concentration of basic form. Second is the solubility. The ability of a drug go dissolve in a solvent is referred as solubility, which is measured in terms of maximum amount of drug dissolved in solvent at equilibrium, forming a saturated solution under fixed set of temperature, pH and pressure. Second, solubility of a drug molecule greatly affect the route of administration and its ADME. ADME is the absorption ADMA is the absorption, distribution, metabolic, and excretion. Third, sufficient solubility along with membrane permeability is important for oral absorption. The below given is the solubility chart. Solubility very soluble. Parts of solvent used to dissolve is 1. Part of solute dissolve 1. Freely soluble 1 to 10, and the parts of solute dissolve is 1. Soluble 10 to 30. Parts of solute dissolve 1. Sparingly soluble 30 to 100. Parts of solute dissolve is 1. Slightly soluble 100 to 1000, and the parts of solute dissolve is 1. Very less soluble 1000 to 10,000, and the parts of solute dissolve is 1. Now the next is partition coefficient. It is defined as equilibrium constant of drug concentration for a molecule in two phases, which is octanol and water. They are determined in vitro by using octanol as a lipid phase and phosphate buffer of pH 7.4 as aqueous phase. They are denoted by capital P, which is dimensionless, and log P is widely used to measure the lipophilicity. Example, pentone sodium has a partition coefficient of about 100, so it is highly soluble in lipid. Partition coefficient P of a drug is expressed as P equals to drug of lipid upon drug of water. Hydrogen bonding. A bond in which a hydrogen atom holds two other atoms together is termed as hydrogen bonding. This bond is formed between hydrogen and electronegative atoms. The atoms forming hydrogen bonding more commonly are fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, and those forming to a lesser extent are chlorine and sulfur. Hydrogen bonding is classified into intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This hydrogen bonding occurs between two or more molecules. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This hydrogen bonding occurs within the molecules. The example of intramolecular hydrogen bonding is orthonitrophenol, and the example of intermolecular hydrogen bonding is paranitrophenol. The presence of hydrogen bonding between the molecules of a substance indicates the molecule are polar. This means the molecules will be soluble in a polar solvent such as water. Second, the polarity of these molecules indicate that they are soluble in water. Protein binding. Drug distribution, elimination, and its pharmacological effect get affected by binding of drug to plasma protein. Due to their higher molecular weight, they cannot pass through capillaries, and due to low lipid solubility, they cannot cross the cell membrane. Drug protein binding can occur through ionic van der Waals forces, hydrogen bonding. Albumin comprises nearly 50% of the total plasma protein and assists the drug binding in the plasma. Albumin concentration is nearly 4 gram per 100 ml in healthy person. Albumin binds to many drug molecules, but the major one are acidic and neutral drug. Apart from albumin, alpha-1 acid glycoprotein having affinity for basic drug is important. It has lower molecular weight and its average plasma concentration is nearly 40 to 100 mg per 100 ml. Chelation. The reversible binding of a ligand, the chelent, chelator, chelating agent, sequestering agent, or complexing agent to a metal ion to form a chelate is called chelation. The term is mostly used for complexes having metal ions bounded with two or more atoms of chelating agent via combination of coordination or ionic bonds. A chelate is a complex of a metal ion with two or more groups on a multidentate ligand. A chelate is a heterocyclic ring structure in which a metal atom is a member of a ring. Ligands having more than one electron donating group are called chelating agents. The most effective complexing agent in ligand are amino and carboxylate ions. Bioisosterism. The formal 3D structure during SAR studies and drug design should be compared with the substituent and functional group of compounds having similar biological activities. In most cases, the molecular shape and overall chemical function are found to be similar, based on which explanations on biological similarities are made. The entire complex of similarities comprising steric, electronics, and molecular orbital comparison is termed as a bioisosterism. Bioisosterism is a medical chemistry approach for rational designing of new drugs applied with a lead compound using a process of molecular modification. Isosters and isosterism. Langmuir stated that two ions or molecules should possess similar characteristics if they are identical in electron number and arrangement, and such pair of ions or molecules are termed as isosteres. Bioisosteres, the compound or group of atoms of almost equal molecular shape, volume, and electron distribution and similar physical characteristics are called bioisosteres. Now the next is optical isomerism. An optically active compound can exist in two isomeric form, which rotate the plane polarized light in opposite direction. This is called isomer, and the phenomena is called optical isomerism. Levorotatory and dextrorotatory. Levorotatory. Levorotatory refers to an optically active substance that rotates the plane polarized light anticlockwise. Dextrorotatory, an optically active substance having the property of rotating the plane polarized light to the right, and that is clockwise. Here's the example of a plus lactic acid and the minus lactic acid. Racemic mixture. A racemic mixture is an equal mixture of two enantiomers. What are enantiomers? Enantiomers each are one whose each of pair molecules that are of a mirror image to each other. Geometrical isomerism. The phenomenon of geometrical isomerism also decides the action of certain drug. A diastereomer occurring due to a restricted rotation around a bond is geometric isomer. An isomer is said to be in a cis when identified groups are attached on the same side of the plane of the molecule, and it is said to be in a trans isomer when the group are attached on the opposite side of a plane. And here's the example of cis and trans isomer, and the example is cis 2 butene and the other is trans 2 butene. Thank you.